Automatech is an industrial automation solution provider. We sell hardware and software to the manufacturing and utility industry. So we're experts in the product, but we don't do the implementations.
Factora is a consultancy and system integrator, and we work in the manufacturing area, typically in hybrid manufacturing. And we've been in business for 20 years, implementing smart manufacturing solutions.
In our recent customer success we've had, the team of Factora and Automatech were able to bring the technology together and didn't even look like it was multiple products.
We needed to provide a solution that was scalable and brought them into the future so that they could continue to be competitive moving forward. ThingWorx was able to quickly provide a solution that was user-friendly. That made it easy to train and easy to support long-term.
The benefits of the ThingWorx platform is it's easy to develop, it's easy to maintain, and the customer feels like it's really the latest technology for them to know that they've got it, and it can go across their whole enterprise.
When you're implementing and delivering these smart manufacturing solutions, it's a team sport. I mean, you have to have a strong ecosystem to bring those things to life for a customer and to deliver on the benefits that a customer is looking for.
In the last several years, Automatech has tried to take on things like proof of concepts, but we've been realizing that causes the sales cycle to be long. We've had so many drawn out ones that never kind of took off, and I felt that after doing this a couple times and not winning, that I wanted to bring in a partner early.
In the past, typically when we've engaged in these type of implementations with customers, the sales cycle has taken anywhere up to 18 months because you have not had the right people at the right time involved. By working together as a team, we managed to shrink that sales cycle down to 4 months because we engaged the right people at the right time to drive the business forward. It's really become a win-win-win-win because we accelerate the sales cycle, which at the end of the day adds value to PTC, adds value to Factora, adds value to Automatech, but most importantly, it adds value to the customer because they get the benefits earlier in the cycle, so everybody gets value from it.